Welcome back to our series on Thirukkural, the timeless Tamil literature. In this episode, we will explore Chapter 3, The Glory of Those Who Have Relinquished. This chapter elaborates on the greatness of those who have overcome desire and live righteous life. Song 5 in Chapter 3 is about God, the King of the Heavens, and how the ability to conquer one's five senses can result in great achievements. In this song, Thirukkural draws inspiration from God and encourages us to follow in His footsteps. Thirukkural uses the metaphor of an elephant to illustrate how one can use resoluteness to control the five senses. Just as a mahout controls an elephant using an ankus, one can control their senses with determination and discipline. In doing so, we sow the seeds for future glory and greatness. This is echoed in many spiritual traditions, including yoga and meditation, which teach us to control our thoughts and senses for a peaceful and fulfilling life. So, let us strive to be like God and the wise ones who have relinquished their desires to live righteous life. This is the path to true greatness and the key to living in harmony with ourselves and the world. Thank you for joining us in exploring Thirukkural Chapter 3, Song 5. Join us next time for more insights into this timeless classic.